Today, I am going to test 3 different AI writers for a blog writing task. It's to show you different AI tools for writing the same topic. The topic is bike helmet safety. If you love to get more skills and tips for AI content writing, please subscribe and like. As usual, I do keyword research first with Ubersuggest for SEO purposes. I will pick topics that are not too difficult and with reasonable search volume. And check the searcher's age range, then I will know better what they would love to read. In the end, I have several suggested keywords in my note. I would do a brief about what I write before starting to write. It is based on keywords. I usually use WordHero AI for generating blog headlines. But firstly, let's test in Texta AI Writer. Today we choose Beast Mode and Blog Style as writing settings. We just simply fill in our blog headline, brief, and keywords. Then we hit Create Outlines and manually improve a little bit. And finally, we hit the Create Text button. We can get a long-form test just within 30 seconds or so. It is very fast writing and no interaction with AI writers during writing. We can check it out at www.hemingwayapp.com for the readability data. It is a grade 10 score, we are supposed to at least grade 9. I already know my researchers are within 35 to 44 years old. But I would aim for grade 7 for a better user experience during reading. The easier to read, the longer ready will stay on our website page, and the better SEO results we can get. As you can see, the content from Texta AI is over 3,600 words. It's hard to read, and maybe a lot of garbage words. And we still need to edit and revise after AI content generation. When we get used to it, we can improve our article quality and save time. Are you wondering whether its content can get organic traffic? Yes, it is positive. I have tested and got some blogs ranking last 2 weeks ago. Is it saving time against the other 2 AI writers? No, I don't think so. It took me the same amount of time to fulfill the SEO requirements. If you are good at proofreading and editing instead of writing, you would love Texta. It will provide you a semi-finished content, you just need to make it from good to great. But for me, when I get poor content, I will lose your patience. So I keep it as my sub-tool for AI content writing. And the next AI writer is Typli AI. It is similar to WordHero AI. We need to tell AI where and what to write. You get nothing if you don't highlight anything. Write more. You can address your writing purpose in a new paragraph. You got nothing if you don't highlight anything. And the best thing is, you can control the output word quantity. And output at least 50 words, here we test 500 words output. And we set the listing content pattern. It is generating a list far more than I expected. So in this way, step by step we can finish the full article. Do I like Typli AI? Yes, I like it. It is a tool we need to train ourselves to adapt to it. And we are able to control the writing output. I will do another video using Typli for this topic. And finally, we test the WordHero AI. Firstly is the blog headline. Then generate the outlines. Don't forget to improve the outlines with targeted keywords. Mark all the H2 and H3 is a good habit. Then hit the blog intro. And I do not get a nice intro text. So I try the toolbar blog intro, then I have a satisfying intro. And one by one, we finish the content. In the conclusion part, I also use a blog conclusion toolbar. So in 18 minutes, I wrote about almost 1,800 words of content with WordHero AI. When checking about the readability score, it's a good score of grade 7. And the content is pretty much ready to publish. WordHero is my favorite AI content generator. It's quite personal favor, because I tend to find a balance between content generating and editing. But you don't know there is a secret here. I use them in a mixed way. Like I use WordHero for the article headlines and outlines. Then copy to Texta for quick content generation. And I will use Typli AI for final improvement. The Typli AI has an SEO toolbar to show me what should be done for targeted keywords, such as alt keywords in a picture, anchor text for a link, etc. And also I can check the keywords and find related keywords easily. When there are some parts that need to generate more, I will do it in Typli AI. Alright, I have done the test for 3 AI writing tools. I really can't tell you which one is the best. All I can say is, let your mindset and skill set do the decision. The more we practice, the better content we'll get. So keep trying and learn from mistakes. Thank you, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and see your next video.